In today's episode of Budget Barbie, we are going overseas thanks to AirAsia because they are sponsoring me to do a Budget Barbie episode overseas, and I'll be heading to Bangkok and Koh Samui. I've been to Bangkok before, like I love the food and shopping because it's so awesome. Although I heard a lot of good things about Koh Samui, I've never been there because the flights there are like quite expensive. But now AirAsia is offering a low-cost way to get there, and it's even better because you can actually choose to stop over Bangkok, then hop over to Koh Samui. It's like you get the city life, shopping and all, and then you hop over for like a chill and relax one. So it's like you have best of both worlds. So now what I have to do is to just go to AirAsia.com and then book my flight from Singapore to DMK, which is actually in Bangkok. It's like a smaller airport and it's not so congested. For the meal choice, there's quite a lot to choose from. But only on the Thai flight you get green curry chicken and chicken basil rice. So I'm gonna choose green curry chicken when I go there, and it's only $5. So now I'm done booking my flight from Singapore to Bangkok DMK, and I thought it was really easy to use the site, very easy to follow through, and it was quite fast. So now I just have to book my flight from DMK to Koh Samui and I'll be set. So to get to Koh Samui, you have to take a flight and then a ferry, which I'm very excited about because I haven't taken a ferry for a long time. So now I'm done booking my flights to Bangkok and Koh Samui, and I'm very excited, especially about Koh Samui because I've never been there. So I guess I'll see you at the airport. Hi, I'm at the Singapore Changi Airport about to check in for my flight, and I'm going to be using the self-check-in kiosk, but you can also do it on AirAsia.com or via their mobile app. So now that I get my boarding pass, actually if I don't have any baggage to check in, I can just go to the document verification counter to get this boarding pass verified, and then I can go in already lah. But since I have one baggage, I am going to go to the express baggage drop, so then I don't have to queue with these people. So I've checked in my baggage and now I'm ready to just go in. So now it's meal time and I'm very excited to try their green curry because it's supposedly really awesome, and they give like free water also. It smells good. You should try it now, it's very yummy. The gravy, right, is not like the thin and diluted kind. It's very saucy and just thick and very fragrant. One thing I really like is that this airport is not very congested lah. You see the queue? Compared to the Subavani or something, the other bigger airport, this is much less congested and like the queue move very fast. So I cleared the immigration pretty quickly because there wasn't much of a line, and now I'm gonna collect my baggage. That is mine! I got it so fast. It's like usually you have to stand around and everybody will be queuing here. I don't need, no. I come out, I see my luggage already. My luggage is the chillest among all. Look at all the black luggages. And please look at my luggage. Pink! Not just pink, polka dot. So now the next step is to do self-check-in from there for my next flight to Koh Samui. Now that I got my boarding pass, I just need to drop off my bag and then wait for my flight. Very simple. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Actually, now that I'm in Bangkok, I can choose to stop over Bangkok for a few days, like just eat, enjoy the shopping, city life and all, and then hop over to Koh Samui for a beach vacation. That would be perfect, right? One cool thing about this Don Mueang airport is that it's actually very near Chatuchak, and it's about 30 to 45 minutes away as compared to the Subavani one that is like 1.5 hours away from shopping and all. So if you are here, you can choose to drop by Chatuchak first. Do your shopping, then go hotel or something. So as you can see from the giant map, AirAsia provides a wide varieties of domestic flights to different destinations via Bangkok. So you can choose to go to Chiang Mai, or you can choose to take a flight to Surat Thani and then take a ferry to Koh Samui, which is what I'm going to be doing. Now I've arrived at Surat Thani airport and I'm going to claim my baggage and then take a van to the pier for the ferry to Koh Samui. Thanks to AirAsia for bringing me here and for sponsoring the trip. I really had fun in this trip.